we've gotten the basic cardboard letters that you can find in a craft store. These are like $1 each. I actually just lined this with some duct tape because, as you see, we are going to be sticking some florals in
she's
here.
making you're waterproofing.
Exactly, waterproofing. You can use saran wrap. You can use whatever. I thought duct tape was easy. It actually fits the width. I cut off the top of this, so you can just use an X-Acto knife to make it, hollow inside. And then all you're going to do is wet some floral foam in water. Stick it in here, just like this. We've pre-done this for you to make it easy. You have your floral scissors right here, and then it's just as easy as starting to cut little flowers out and then popping them right in. They should go, very, very good, John. Wow. And so this is actually really fun because, these will last for multiple days. It's a twist on the typical bouquet. You just tuck them right in. You can use whatever flowers you want. We have ranunculus, succulents. I like the succulents because it adds a little bit of green and pop. X and O.
But that's great. That's very
cute.
very nice.